Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have watched my previous video where I have explained how to invoke an agent using a record triggered flow, you might have encountered this error. In this video, we will resolve this error and understand why it occurs. The reason is Salesforce does not allow external callouts and that's mainly to keep things running smoothly and avoid problems. So here is what is happening behind the scene. The immediate path in a record trigger flow runs synchronously during the database transaction. That means it happens right when the record is being saved. If an external system is involved, like an HTTP request, here we are using Agentforce agent, and that system is slow or unavailable, so it can delay or even cause the entire transaction to fail. So callouts are inherently unpredictable because they rely on external systems. So their response time can vary or they might be down altogether. So Salesforce wants to avoid those kinds of issues during the record save process to protect data integrity and keep things running smoothly. So there is also a high risk of hitting governor limits and encountering record locking issues if a callout is made during a DML operation. So these are technical constraints that can cause error or slowdowns which Salesforce try to prevent by enforcing this rule. So how do we fix it? It's simple. Move the callout to the schedule path. So we will just add the schedule path here. Schedule path. We will provide the time source, which is a when candidate is created, and offset value is 0 and after 0 minutes. And we will add the invoke agent to the schedule path. We will cut this element and paste in the schedule path. So once you will save this, so in the back end, this way the record gets saved first and the callouts run separately without causing any issues. So that's how you fix this error and keep your flow working as expected. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe and follow for more such kind of video. Thank you. Bye-bye.